So, good morning, Tanan. Good morning, ma'am. Now, ano niyang i-report ka ko? Si grade circle. Mga gitawag ila circle guy. Ang iyang dito, gitaw. Matalinis ko is madam. So, what is green circle? The green circle or Siphophorus hilary is a freshwater fish species native to Central and South America. Specifically in Mexico, Guatemala, and Honduras. So, may ang characteristics. Vibrant green color with red or yellow tail, sword shape, tail extension or caudal fin. Reaches to 4 to 6 inches or 10 to 15 centimeters in length. Small active swimmer. Omnivorous diet, plants, insects, small crustaceans. So may ang types: green turtle or Siphophorus hilary, albino green turtle, lemon green turtle, blue green turtle. Na turtle wala na nakuha.
Nasa kuha daw.
Ikaw may tanan ko. Hindi ka pamuha yan? Habitat, freshwater rivers of streams and lakes. Prefers warm water, 22 to 25 degrees Celsius, o 72 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit.